Regen, target gradually cover targets HP. Okay. I'm gonna use the descriptions from Final Fantasy 6 to make things more accurate. I think this is probably a description from a more recent version of it. I want the descriptions from the classic game. Pure Curse Sight. Oh, that's not it. Here. You know what? The best way to get the descriptions is by checking in the actual game. I know what I was thinking. Just go into the game and look at the descriptions there. Regen. Gradually recovers HP. Okay, so it's exactly the same one I had found. No, here. No, it's here. Gradually, 2 L's or 1 L? 2 L's. Recovers HP. Regen. Okay. Sorry guys, had to quit. I'm back now. Still working on database. Have I had a region here? I think I have. I have, okay. So the next one is, let's see, silence. Alright, so Control M. What? Control M. What the hell? Where's everything else? Have I accidentally deleted everything? Holy fuck, I accidentally deleted everything. Oh my god. When did I do this? Or no. I know I did. I know what I did. Just forgot to close a region. That's probably what I've done. Here. Okay, what a scare, man. Alright. So next one is support spells. Silence. Let's see. I think this is a good one. Oh, we should also pay attention to the junctions. Will Cloud have regen? I mean Squall. If it does, I have to set junction stats for it. Fuck, I'm not giving him regen. He doesn't deserve it. This already has too many spells. But he's gonna have silence though. He's gonna get slow. I'm gonna use it as a basis for silence. Wait, this slow, we have an animation. Have I created an animation for slow? I have not. Placeholder. Okay, so let me create here. Texture reflect wall valor. I'm gonna put the negatives. Wait, does that count as black magic or? Nah, it counts as support magic. Osmosis here. Silence. Let's see what it looked like. The description looked like in Final Fantasy 6. It was called Mute, but I'm not gonna keep that name. Silence is target. Did they use? Okay, target. Action animation. Placeholder. status silence, no elementals, elemental junction none, power stat junction. What? Fuck, I forgot how to do this. Let's take a look at BO. Should show me how it's done. Junctioning, status junction. Okay, 0.1. Let's do the same for silence. Here. Silence magic. I hate this part. Later, I have to go back, check the entire database, and look at everything in the database to see if things, the values are making sense. Power 1001. Fuck it, same junction. 0.1. ST silence. Man, I have to find my references here. I have a reference for what junction values are supposed to be. I should keep this in a file. Maybe I have already put it in the file. Let me see. Instead of on paper. Let's see if I have it somewhere in a more organized way. Man, this is definitely a mistake I've made. Yeah, I don't have that. I should create like all the spells I have to give each character, list it in a document, but I haven't done any of that. You guys can hear the paper. It's because I have all these notebooks with all the stuff, but it's all very disorganized. It's kind of hard to figure out what is what. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, I think I found it. I'm gonna put it right here. Status junctions. Create a new spell. Oops. Spell junction. What the fuck? What is going on? What the fuck is going on here? Yeah. Oh lord, it's Chrome. Chrome's acting up. Okay, so let's rename this. Spell tiers. Next time I need to look at this, it's easier to check. HP. This is for Squall and the possible junctions he has, and how powerful they're supposed to be. I'm not gonna list every spell, but rather how powerful they're supposed to be, and I use my own judgment to decide which spells are A tier in HP, C tier in strength, whatever. So for for HP. The highest value is 0.7, and then I wrote something here, I don't know what it was. That does not help me at all doing this. So I'm not sure it's supposed to be 0.7, I think it's supposed to be 70. And then I guess 45. I should check my database to see how it actually looks like. Let me take an example from from Cure. Let's see, Cure 3 junctioning. Yeah, it's 70. So that's the highest tier. Let's see, Cure 2 should be a lower tier. 45, yeah, that's the other value. Okay, I think I got it. I think I know what I'm supposed to do now. And this one should be 21. Yes, that is correct. Alright. So write all this down. 47, 5, 21, and then there's the trash tier, 10. So for every spell Squall has junctioned, if the spell has like a good HP junction, he gets 70 HP for every spell he has junctioned. Total of 10 spells, so a total of 700 HP. So for strength, magic is 1.4 per spell on the highest tier, 0.9, 0.4, 0.2. Strength should look the same. Okay, and then we got speed, 0.8 for the highest tier, 0.6, 0.4, and 0.2 for the trash tier. Evasion is 3.3. Wow. 3.3. Boy. No, this doesn't look right. Let's see, a good evasive spell should be haste, I think. Or was it Ice 3 that I said it is a good, powerful evasion spell? Let's see. Was it Reflect? Evasion for Reflect is 0.8. I think it's supposed to be 0.8, not 3.3. That seems too high. Let's see. I think maybe haste is also a good source of evasion. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's 0.8, not 3.3. See, my notes are very disorganized. So it's just like speed, should be just like speed then. 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, and then luck is also like this, 0.8. But I should check. Should check in the game. Anyway, based on that, let's see how silence was in Final Fantasy VIII. Fantasy VIII junction. And we use that as a reference, but not as a definite. Hello, Moises. Not as the definite answer, the ultimate answer. Because my game is not like the original game. It's not like Final Fantasy VIII, it's not like Final Fantasy VII, so I cannot use the exact values from the original game. Each game had their own balance. I cannot just use the same here. Let's see what, this is just a suggestion then. So silence seems to be shit at strength compared to most things. Shit at defense, I don't have defense, but again, good at average actually at magic, not that great. Spirit, speed is shit, so it seems to be like kind of a shit junction overall. So I'm gonna go with shit status for silence. Let's go. So HP should be garbage level. Is it garbage level here? it was pretty shitty for everything. Pretty shitty junction. So evasion, I'm gonna go. Let me see my reference values. I'm gonna go with all the shit values then. Okay. So evasion, it's a 0.4. I don't know why I'm putting so much time into this. Obviously all of this is gonna change eventually with more balancing. Strength, that's gonna be a 0.4 as well. Well, let's just go 0.4. Luck, 0.4. Let's make it shit at everything but not super shit at anything. Let's see if this is making sense. 0.4, 0.4, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so this is silence. Okay, have I finished everything for silence? I think maybe. Have I added silence up here though? Slow. Don't think I have. What? See? Classic mistake. Action silence. Okay, so I have added silence and regen. So Lakishmi is complete. Kjata, this is already done. Left, this is already done. Okay, I think for Terra all the spells have been created. I think so. So I should save this, and then I hit save here. Oh man, save. Okay. This usually takes a while. So guys, do you have any interesting ideas of something you'd like to see? This is a massive crossover game. I'm trying to restrict the content to only the main characters. But do you have any creative ideas for enemies, dungeons, character abilities, special events? Anything cool that you'd like to see in this kind of game? Because we're going to be here for a while I wait for this to save. It always takes a while to save. Soundtrack is Breath of Fire 4. I almost made a Breath of Fire fan game. Had a lot of interesting ideas for it, but I ended up going for this big, massive, overscoped Final Fantasy game. Oh, speaking of overscoped, you guys should probably check out my jam game, Little Dare game, which was overscoped. For the last Little Dare, I'm gonna post it here for you guys. Get a link. On the chat. And the results were out. I think I ranked 300th. I don't know out of how many. I wish they told me how many people were in the competition, so I had an idea if I was like in the upper 50% or in the lower 50%. Particularly really enjoyed the concept I created, which was a game where you're supposed to set everything on fire. It's like a RTS game where you set everything on fire. Let's see if it's already saved. Okay, done. So that means I should change Lakishmi's here. Not that she has the spells. Every character has the spells they need. Phoenix, Kijata. There's probably something I forgot to do for sure. Kijata. Kashmir. What the fuck? Here. Kishmi. That means Cloud can use those spells too. He can use them. He can equip them. And Terra action is gonna be action regen, action silence, and action Izuna. Alright, now for sure this is gonna crash. No doubts it's gonna crash. So what the hell is going on? Let him there. Am I online? Or has let him there gone down? No, I'm online. Where's my game? Here it is. Yeah, let him there is down for some reason. Still compiling. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. I'm thinking of adding Ramza to the game eventually from Final Fantasy Tactics. Should probably also do this little thing someone asked me to do, change the inputs. Input globals, enums, keyboard. Someone asked me to change this, and it's changed. Okay. Also, if I'm not mistaken, Moises, you told me about a glitch with dual casting. I didn't quite understand what you meant when you described it to me, but I'm gonna test it right now. See if I can figure out. I think I have an idea of what you're saying. Maybe it's a glitch I've already fixed as well, because the build you were using was kind of old compared to all the things I've already changed. Said D to confirm and X to cancel. So is that what I've done here? I don't think I've actually done what they asked me to do. I haven't. So let's see here. Z to confirm, X to cancel. So I guess the extra would be C. That makes more sense than what I had done for sure. I should probably start creating the placeholder animation. Let's find something cute I can put there. This is the folder where I keep all my notes, and also where I keep a lot of ripped assets. Like this. I think I'm gonna use the imp sprite. Imp. For the placeholder animation. Man, my computer's not handling this very well right now. Look at this, 1 minute and 47 seconds just to compile. Anyway. No, No, that's not what I want. Ah, my lord. Here. I'm gonna use this as the placeholder animation. That means unfortunately I have to open Krita. Just gonna hog a lot more memory again. Oh my lord. That's 3 minutes already just waiting to compile. And my whole computer's freezing up. Because it can't really handle GameMaker's compiling. I think my main problem is my HT. I should get an SSD. Okay, let's put this here. My lord. Wow. Took only 10 seconds. Should probably fix us just to crash, of course. Because I haven't created the animation placeholder. God damn it. So I told you I was gonna do something stupid. To create the file. My lord, man. What the fuck is going on? This computer. It's glacial. All of a sudden. So let's call it animation placeholder. Let's just do it now. Later, we compile that shit later. Create this finally open. Yeah, this is what's gonna show on screen once you use it. Oh. Set that to the game. Character sprites, general. There's not gonna be a NIP status, by the way, okay, guys? Not at least anytime soon. It's a fun status, but I decided to leave it out the game. Didn't I literally just save? Ah, of course, I saved it as. No, I saved it. Oh, I saved it in the wrong place, maybe? Okay. Battle console. Should probably turn console X, console Y. Alright. Should turn this into a global. Global console start. So let's create this animation. Equals greater than 60. Go to next. Animation over. And oop. I'm gonna draw if initialized totally forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, set depth. Okay, draw sprite in portrait 0, room width over 2, console away, global console start -1. Okay, and then let's see if I can do this right. Array length, no, string length, string, no, str, draw placeholder, ladder equals string copy str I1. Ah, hey Shohan. Shohan, eu tentei te mandar uma mensagem depois que você mandou aquela mensagem. Eu não consegui porque só dá pra mandar mensagem se a gente tiver o mesmo servidor. A gente não tem mais um servidor em comum. Eu ia falar valeu, obrigado, de boas, etc. Etc, etc. You get the idea. Thanks for taking an interest. So, draw text X, no. Room width 2. Let's set an XX here. XX. Room width over 2. Should not be putting that much time into this placeholder animation. Minus times 8. That's 8 is the size of the font over 2. Guys, I'm gonna have to take another break soon. Let me set things up so I can take a break without ending this stream. Let me put let me see if I can put a solid color or something. No, I'm just gonna do it here. Create. Let's set a color to a nice Twitch-like color. Here. Final Fantasy 6, okay. Size 26. Intermission. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Save. this color here. I like it. Save. Okay. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna have to have the intermission real soon. TV news. Intermission banner. Let me add an image. Let me add an overlay. Oh, add overlay. Where's overlay? Image. Okay. Browse. Okay. Oh, look at that, guys. There we go. So now when I can take a break, I don't need to close the stream anymore. I can just do this. And I should probably put the text over it. Yeah, this should work. What the fuck? Okay. XX height. Nah. Global. Also star minus 80 plus, and now here comes the part. Var sin equals sin step times 40 step plus 9 over pi. I wonder if that's gonna work. Probably not. Plus sin ladder. Let's see if that's gonna work. Let's test it. Yeah, so guys, in about actually right now, I'll take a break right now, guys. Intermission time. Let's create a new text. Let's put this inside here. Nah, never mind. I'm gonna do this. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'll be back in 20 minutes. Alright, back. Let's see if the intermission animation actually works. I should give Terra some espers. Look at that, man. This shit looks so cool. Probably gonna crash though. Pretty sure it's gonna crash. Let's see. Silence. Actually, he's got dual cast here. I forgot. It kind of works. Follow aqui. Plus step. 9 by 10. XX plus I times 8. Now it's gonna work. So with that, I should also make sure some of the menus are gone. Some of the menus I haven't created yet. So let's do that. Let's remove those menus. For Terra, now all of her menus have been created. For Cloud, the limit break menu is not done yet, so I'm gonna remove it. For Squall, it is the C-Sword and the GF menu that haven't been created yet. C-Sword is the Renzoku menu, GF is the menu with the GF, of course. For Noctis, that is the Tech and Ascension menus. They haven't been created either. I'm not gonna create them soon. They're not really essential to what I'm gonna do. Also, I need to change all the songs, because the current songs, they have a click on them, like when they're supposed to loop, there's a 1 millisecond period of silence. So whenever the song loops, that silence causes a click. Let me remove this bad boy from here. Let me put Lakishmi up there. Oh, it is so cool. God damn it. Alright. What? Why can't you summon Lakishmi? Let's see. Yeah, it works. Cool. But for some reason Terra could not summon Lakishmi. Alright, +1. Also, okay. Let's make it 90 seconds. But, okay, that was strange though. Why couldn't she use the summon? Let's see here. Oh, no. Oh, it's because she's got dual casting. No, it's not that. Not that at all. Why is it then? Let's see. Let's test it. Huh. Yeah, something's not right. I think I've made a mistake somewhere here. Set as per bonus. Boom. Terra. Let's see. So I put the. I think it's Bahamut. List as per. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Is that it? Really? Is that? So I gotta replicate this up there on the other menu. Jesus. Okay. Menu set it. So all action list, as per list, equip the as per, and then I. Wait. No. As per action, is that the name? Let's see. Materia. Add. To type. Edit act is called edit action. Is that it? See if it's that it. That's it. Phoenix. Yeah, it is edit act. No, it's not. It's action records. Action records, action 1. Okay. Equipped as per action records. I think I've created a list with the actions. Yeah, action list, yeah. Action list 0. Okay, now she should be able to do it. Oh yeah. Cool. It works. Okay, time to replace every song in the game. That's gonna suck. Music. Battle. Oh man. Here we go. You guys are not gonna be able to see much from this part. I'm gonna be using the browser to get the songs in the database we have, the cloud. Oh hello, there's a new guy here in the Discord. By the way guys, if you're not in the Discord, show up at the Discord. Let me give you a link for the Discord. Right guys, everybody here is already there. There's only so few people watching this. I bet the people who are watching it are the people who are already there. So that's the link. Let's see if anybody shows up. So what was I going to do? Oh yeah, I get the songs. I think guys, that's pretty much probably it for today. Actually, I should stop because I have other things to do. So for tomorrow we will be continuing with the demo and possibly releasing the demo, maybe. But yeah, I should stop now. Let's just make a test here using a nog file. Final Fantasy 1 battle intro. No. Um. Yeah, let's download this one. Actually, let's see if I can download the entire folder. Yeah. No, I shouldn't. Should not download the folder. Should just download one file and test it. So Final Fantasy 4 battle intro. Battle. Is that all? It doesn't make any. Doesn't look right. Let's listen to the song. This is by Matthew Valente. Let me show you guys his. I'll give you guys a link to his Twitch. He's making all the songs for the game. He's recreating songs from Final Fantasy for every Final Fantasy game into an extremely accurate Final Fantasy VI style. Here's the link, and yeah, he's doing all the songs, man. Without him, I don't think I'll be able to do things the way I want it to be, the way I envisioned them to be. So let me download some other file here. Let's listen to some of his songs. I think this is the intro for the final boss for Zeromus. Final boss for Final Fantasy IV. Let's see if it is. Let's listen. No. Man, he's added a lot of new songs. Holy fuck. I had no idea. Shit, he's added so many songs. Final Fantasy V, Decisive Battle. Gilgamesh. Oh, gotta answer a phone. Okay, I'm back, and let's test the song. Wait, this is coming out in the wrong place. Why? So strange. Well, it works. So yeah, guys, that's it. Tomorrow I'm gonna add the songs. Probably not gonna stream this part. I'll be back. I'll stream again on Tuesday, but I'll probably work on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Actually, Monday I usually don't work. Sunday sometimes, but Saturday and Friday I'm probably gonna do some work here. So by the time I stream again, there will be more stuff done. Maybe, who knows, the demo will be out by then already. So guys, thank you for watching, and see ya.